Okay, so today is my first video ever. Take a moment to grab these items because we're going to use it to make a Lego car. I'm going to eventually show you. So now let's begin. So first, grab this, and then get these three. You'll see why they're actually labeled in a minute. Why you need them in a certain order. Do this, and then technically just do this, and then after that, I want you to put this at the back. Okay, the back, not this bar, because eventually we're gonna do this, which I wanted to happen. And now you should have something looking like this. Oh yeah, I almost forgot these. Turn it around, put these on the edges. Don't turn it around just yet. Again. Okay, and then we take this and put this here. Sorry for the pause, I'll just think for this. And then turn it around again. Okay, these should be poking out only these ones. And then, instead of doing this, you have to put one here and here. And then, after this, put this inside the wheels for all of them. You'll see why I picked specific wheels for this one, because I have 3 types of wheels: small, big and large. This is normal, and there's a large one as well, and there's a small one. And then we take these two and put them here. And you probably see now why I have these, because I want it to look good. So not just all yellow, grey and red. I wanted to add a bit of style. So I've added a bit of orange to the back. And then to finish your car, you definitely need some wheels. This is how to make a car.